So as a church, we want to not just be a church here in the community, we want to be a church that's here for the community. One of the things we found is foster families need support in our local community. They're doing incredible work. We love the work they're doing. And so we have a lot of families that might not want to be foster families themselves, but they want to support foster families. We find that Man Up and Go is a great intermediate place where they connect a place like us, a church like us, with the needs that are in our community to be able to do the work that we believe God's calling us to do.